Hi everyone, I'm Ilan from VAXLY Real Estate Services, and today we are in Finestrat to show you this amazing new built villa. You have to know, Finestrat is like 10 minutes to Benidorm and 15 minutes to the sea. In this villa you have mountains view and sea view. In this house we have 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 110 square meters built and 310 square meters out. And now let's go inside. Here is the main important piece of the villa, the living room with open kitchen. Come with me, you can see. So this kitchen is fully equipped with dishwasher, washing machine here, the horn from Johnson, the fridge here, and freezer. And we have a lot of space to cook, and at the same time you can cook and enjoy with your family or your friends, talk to them and spend a good time with them. And as you can see, this house was just finished. That's why it's empty, there is no furniture at the moment. But feel free to imagine where you're gonna put your tables, your sofa, and I think that there is a good opportunity, good option to put your table here because you have sea view. Now let's go to the first bedroom. Here you have a space to put your bed. Here we have the wardrobe. And here also you have the connection to install your television and a direct access to the terrace. And now come with me to discover the second bedroom. Quite the same, but the first one, for example here, you're gonna put your bed, wardrobe also, but super high quality material, as you can see. But in this bedroom you have direct access to the parking space. And here we have the parking space where we can park 2 cars and the pre-installation of your secure automatic gate. And funny things, if you're a car lover, you can put your bed here and enjoy your car every day. And now here we have the first bedroom. And now let's discover the master bedroom, including his own bathroom. From your bedroom, you can enjoy this mountain and sea view. We have also the wardrobe here. Super huge. Super important. And here, the second bathroom. So here you can see we have a lot of space, so you can install your exterior furniture, sunbed here, and pass by from your chilling space to your swimming pool. We have also a shower here, and you can see those beautiful blues tiles. So here we have this covered terrace where we can install your chilling space, enjoying the sea view. And here we have a swimming pool system area. And here, again, this empty space where we can adapt regarding your needs. With sea view! And look at how your neighbors adapt this space. It's super beautiful. And guys, the price of this fantastic villa is super attractive. It's 479,000 euros. In this price, you have everything included what you saw before. And you have the option, as you can see here, to install some solar panels to get a better electricity bill. Guys, if you need more information, please contact us to our email, and don't forget to subscribe to our TikTok, Instagram and YouTube channel. Merci, ciao ciao.